Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my ContentPress review. I'm here inside my WordPress dashboard and today I'm going to give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the prices and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom made bonuses for you guys to help you get the best out of ContentPress. Now, in a nutshell, ContentPress is a brand new WordPress plugin that is going to go ahead and generate content and automatically post it to your WordPress blog. We have different ways to generate content right here. I'm gonna go over this amazing tool in just a second, but if you are interested in picking up ContentPress, all you have to do is click the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page, scroll down and click on one of these buttons. Then it will take you to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of ContentPress. You can do that once the sales page is live. This product is gonna go live at the 19th of June at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then you can come through here and click on one of these buttons. It will take you to the sales page and you can pick up your copy of ContentPress. However, you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, this page will disappear and so will all my bonuses. My bonuses are, my first bonus, I'm going to give you a hack on how to rank your articles in the first page of Google. Why do you want to rank your articles in the first page of Google? Because if your article is not ranking in the first 3 pages of Google, you're not going to get any traffic and this tool will be basically useless. I want you to get the best out of ContentPress. So I throw in my first bonus to rank your articles and get traffic and hopefully make more sales. My second bonus is going to be access for the second upsell buyers only. It's going to be done for you bonus pages. I'm going to talk about this bonus once I go over the pricing in the upsell later in the video. My third bonus is going to be access to the best high ticket affiliate offers to promote using ContentPress. I'm going to show you the best high ticket offers to generate content and start linking to these offers to make the best out of ContentPress. My fourth bonus is going to be access to 5 hidden quality traffic sources. These sources are not shared with everybody. I'm going to show you these high quality traffic sources to drive traffic to your articles. And my fifth bonus is going to be access to 2 other ways to monetize your ContentPress. I'm going to show you 2 other ways to make money with ContentPress. The sixth and last bonus is going to be access to all the vendors bonuses. Now I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all my bonuses delivered to you free of charge and instantly once you pick up the front end version of ContentPress. But you are not going to get the second bonus because it's limited to the upsell number 2 buyers only. Now let's go inside the WordPress plugin and let's talk about a bit on how this works. Once you install it, what you want to do is you want to go to ContentPress right here and go to the auto ContentPress creation. If you want to watch the full demo video, I have it on my bonus page right here. Let me just show you. Here is the demo video. You can click the link in description and watch the demo video to get a more in-depth look on this tool. Basically, you have to choose your category first. So let me just choose investing, and then you're gonna choose your subcategory, and you can even choose your keyword right here. I chose day trading, so I'm gonna type in something like day trading strategies, and I'm gonna click on search, and then we're gonna have our results or data right here. Let me just type in day trading, and as you can see we have our results right here. You can select the article, you can read the description and actions, and you can choose whichever article you want to publish. So for example, if I want to publish this one, I'm gonna select it and click on save result. And we have the article already imported. As you can see, it's really simple. You can go to the import result to check out your results, and then all you have to do is click on add to post, and it will be posted, already posted. As you can see, it's already posted to your blog. You can go to your post and all posts and check out the post that we just made right here. It's this one. I can click on view to check it out. As you can see, it's full of content right here. This content was generated using the ContentPress plugin. We have other features inside the ContentPress plugin. If we go to the article generator, you can generate article and spin tags these articles. You can basically grab an article from the internet, paste it right here and click on spin, and you can paste it. We have the PDF generator. You can generate PDFs using this tool right here. And we have the sharing, and we have the pro if you want to unlock the pro features. I'm gonna talk about the prices and upsells in just a second. Like I said, if you want a more in-depth look, you can check out the demo video in my bonus page. I have embedded it on my bonus page right here. Now let's talk about the sales page. Let's take a look at it in these the claims made here. We have a brand new software that turns down for you unique content into 24/7 free traffic and $1,000 commissions in minutes. Basically, you can do this if you promote the right offers and you have the right content in place. That's why I added my bonuses, which is the first bonus on how to rank your articles, and my third bonus on the best high ticket affiliate offers to promote, to make like $1,000 commissions easily using ContentPress. Now we have some bullet points right here. 100% unique content. You can sell these services as SEO services on Fiverr and all that good stuff. You can do this in 3 steps. Get 100% unique content and 100% free traffic for yourself or clients in just 3 simple steps. We have these steps right here. You log in, you create the content, and you blast it to your WordPress blog. And here we have some proof of guaranteed results, some money proof right here. It's really simple. We have some testimonials from other affiliates and vendors. And you can check out the sales page at your own time. It has a lot of content, a lot of proof, and a lot of details about ContentPress. But as I showed you, it's really easy to work with. You just go to the auto content creation. Then you can choose a video search, an image search, or an article search. Let me just search videos for day trading, for example. Day trading, and click on search. And then you can turn these videos into content. I'm just gonna select this one and click on save. Data is saved. And then we can go to import result and click on add to post. Once you added it, we have the auto blogging section right here. It's gonna go ahead and auto blog. We're gonna click on add campaign. You can name the campaign, you can schedule, and you can enter the image keyword or the video keyword here. You can choose to spin content or not. We have the categories, the keyword, and all that good stuff. And you can also schedule posts if you want to schedule them. You can schedule them inside the auto plugin, and all these scheduled posts will show up in this section right here. As you can see, it's really simple to use. Now let me just talk to you about the prices in the upsells of ContentPress. For the front end version, it's gonna be $17, and it has a down sale for $15. You're gonna get access to this amazing tool, but unfortunately it's gonna be limited. You can only post like I don't know how much the limit is, but it is limited to the number of posts and the features inside of ContentPress front end. It's gonna cost you $17. You can get it for $15. All you have to do once you are inside the ContentPress sales page right here, a pop-up is gonna pop up with we have a pop-up right here. It's gonna appear. Let me just refresh to show you the pop-up. Let me just check. Anyway, you're gonna see a pop-up just like this one. You can click here to claim your discount and get it for $15, as you might have seen. So it's a down sale. If you want to pick up ContentPress, definitely pick it up for $15 and not $17, and pocket $2. I know it's a small change, but it makes a difference. You're gonna get access to all my bonuses except the second bonus. I'm gonna talk to you about the first upsell number one, or the first upsell right now, which is gonna be the ContentPress Unlimited Pro Edition. You're gonna get access to the Pro version. You're gonna unlock all the features, and basically you can get more features than the version of the front end. You're gonna get that for $36, but there is a down sale for $26. This is a no-brainer because you're gonna unlock the unlimited features, and you're gonna be able to post unlimited posts without any limitation. Plus, you're gonna get additional tutorial videos and done for you Fiverr gigs. All that is going to be for $36, but you can get it for the downsell price of $26.93. All you have to do once you are hit with the first OTU, just scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button that says no thank. Click on it, and you will be hit with the first downsell where you can pick it up for $27. This is a no-brainer since I'm giving you my bonuses at the front end. For $15, you're gonna get all my bonuses except the second bonus. Now for the second upsell, I made a special bonus, which is the second bonus for the second upsell buyers, which is gonna be done for you bonus pages. What you're gonna get in the second upsell is basically 5 done for you products. They're gonna give you 5 done for you products to sell to your customers in profit 100% commissions. These are 5 done for you products. They basically are gonna give you reseller rights for these products for $36.93. But even if you get it for the downsell price, I'm gonna give you my done for you bonus pages right here. So I'm gonna create bonus pages for these products that they are gonna give you, and I'm gonna give you these bonus pages. These bonus pages are gonna look just like this one that you are watching right now, just like my bonus page. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Basically, you're gonna get done for you products, 5 done for you products. I'm gonna create 5 bonus pages and give it to you as a bonus if you pick up the OTO number 2 via my link. Even if you pick up the downsell price, which is $26.93, I'm still gonna give you my second bonus as a bonus for the upsell number 2. The upsell number 3 is gonna be the reseller edition. You're gonna be able to sell ContentPress as your own. All of that is gonna be for $46.93. But again, you can get it for the downsell price. All you have to do once you are hit with the third upsell, just scroll down to the bottom, click on no thanks. You're gonna see a no thanks button, or you're gonna see something that says no thanks. Click on it. You'll be taken to the third downsell, which is gonna be for $36.93. And the fourth and last upsell is gonna be the IMX edition. The IMX edition will give you access to all their products for $67. You can still get it for the downsell price. As always, just scroll down and click on no thanks, and you can get it for $47. I hope you like this review. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave comments down below in description, down below in the comment section, and I'll answer you as soon as I see your comment. I hope you like my review. Don't forget to pick this up before the countdown timer hits 0 on my bonus page, because my bonuses will not apply once it hits 0. And I hope I see you in the next review video. Peace out.